Hello guys, welcome to my channel. First click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. So this is first command, then hit enter, click to ok. Then this is second command, again hit enter, then click to ok. Now then this command, type, hit enter, so it will start the percentage, some repair corrupted file to restore. Okay, so when it is 100% completed, then one more command need to use, then this one, same, hit enter, so it will start the percentage. When 100% is completed, you can see this, then close it, then minimize, then next step, reinstall Microsoft Visual C C++ redistribution. So open any browser, to click to search Google search box to type .net C++ download. So this is Microsoft first website, click on it, scroll down, then always download this one, Visual Studio 15, click 64. After it will start a percentage and it's complete, then single click to open, then I accept, then click to install. Now successfully install, close it. Then when it is stuck, like this is stuck on 3%, so select this and then hit enter, so again it will start again. So both, when then completed, then restart your system. Okay, thank you.